Here is one picture I'm going to show you. Okay, observe this picture very carefully. Okay, this is your observation skill. Okay, just observe the picture very carefully. I'm going to ask so questions based on this picture. Okay, observe the picture very carefully. The colors, the people, the pictures, everything you have to observe it carefully and just go through that picture. Okay. Yes. What was written on that? Let me show you. Save the turtles. Yes. Very good. Now the third. What was the color of the t-shirt that the last person in the queue was wearing? What was the color of the t-shirt that was the last person in the queue was wearing? Pink, yellow, or orange? Yes, very good. Let me show you that picture once again. Yes, it is orange. So many of the students gave the wrong answer. So many of the students gave wrong answer. It shows your observation skill. Okay. Now, here is the picture. You are going to identify that character, and at that character's dialogue you are going to perform. Okay. Those who know this character, just raise your hand and you are going to perform that character's dialogue. Okay. Raise your hand, those who know the character. No, it's not a Chang Yozi. Okay. Avnesh, unmute yourself. Avnesh. Okay. Avnesh, turn on
Yes.
your web camera. Okay. Avnesh, wait a minute. Sorry. Okay. Now, who is that character? Yes, Avnesh. Do you recognize that character? Avnesh is not able to give the answer. Let it be. We have Asta. Asta, unmute yourself.
He is an archer.
No, no, Asta, you gave the wrong answer. It's not an archer. Okay, let us go with the Manasvi Mane. Unmute yourself. Manasvi, can you recognize this person? Yes, this is Sultan Ghiyazuddin. Okay, very good. Can you just say the dialogues of Sultan Ghiyazuddin? Anyone? At the end of when he was given punishment, what did he say to the Qazi? You can just say any one dialogues of that Qazi, Sultan Ghiyazuddin. Sorry. Yes, Asta. Sorry, Manasvi was there. Manasvi Mane. Unmute yourself. Yes, Manasvi. Any one dialogue you have to give me. Okay, Manasvi is not able to. Then we will go with Prathamesh. Prathamesh, unmute yourself. Prathamesh, unmute yourself. Okay.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, but I can hear you.
The Sultan's one dialogue was, I am happy that you did not waver in your duty.
Yes, very good. And to whom did he say this?
He said this to the Quasi.
Very good. Very good, Prathamesh. Clap for the Prathamesh. Okay, very good, Prathamesh. Now with the second question. Okay, lower down your hands. I would this one. Okay. Can you recognize this character? Okay, Tejaswini. Oi, Tejaswini.
Teacher,
Okay.
this is widow's son who was Sultan accidentally killed.
Yes, this was the widow's son who was accidentally killed by Sultan. Okay, very good. I think we don't have the dialogues of this character. Okay. Very good, Tejaswini. Very good. Now, this character. Who is he? Okay. Pranjal, unmute yourself.
F was Fable.
Ashab. He was Ashab. Yes, not fable. Fable means the stories. He is an Ashab. Okay. So what type of stories do he was doing?
The stands at the pole. And
Oh, but what are the characteristics of his stories? What is the main point of his stories? Whatever stories he was writing, in that stories the animal characters can talk. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, that I was told you. So can you give me any one dialogue of any one character from that Aesop's fable? When the stag looked into the water, what did he feel? Or what did he saw?
Browning in this way.
Okay. Okay, very good. So that means you are understood with the all the characters. Let us start with the character stations. I will stop my PPT over here. Now by turning on the cameras, you are going to say any one dialogue of your own choice. Okay? Any one dialogues of your own choice. Prathamesh, are you ready? Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Say the dialogue.
Teacher, I am going to say the dialogue from the lesson. It's only matter. The young man said to the Chenyoji, it's just a matter of practice.
So how he will say?
It's only a matter of practice.
Yes. Very good.
Acting lesson. Sultan's.
Okay. And be loud and clear. Huh? Be loud and clear. Well confident you should be.
Weeping and wailing, the poor went to the Qazi and told him what had happened.
Okay. Can you once again repeat?
Yes. Weeping and wailing, the poor went to the Qazi and told him what had happened.
Okay, good.
Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world.
Okay.
Was real proud of her 6 new ducklings. There was soft, furry and yellow, such thin little ducklings. But the 7th one was very different. It was bigger and its feathers very gray and shaggy. It looked so ugly. Thank you.
Yes.
Ugly duckling. Our duck story is mother. All ducklings are smart. This big fellow looks so different. Why is he so ugly?
Okay, very good.
The credit created and aroused their interest in reading books. It is going to help them a great deal in future. I am a hunter. I am catch the animals.
Okay, good. Very good.
Me, all I know, their names are what and why and when and how and where and who.
Okay, very good, Swaranjali. Very good, beta.
Then for listen, silence, a time for there's a time for work and a time for play. There's a time for sleep at the close of day.
Okay, very
She sang and abroad on her own affairs from the second she opened her eyes. 1 million house, 2 million wells, and 7 million wives.
very good.
Thank you.
Yes, Maruti, very good. Who is he? Shravani?
I don't know.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, Shravani, what happened?
don't know.
Okay, don't know. Who is he? Yes?
Chenia Housie.
Chang Yozi. Chang Yozi.
Housie, huh?
Yes. Okay. So can you tell me about him?
He is the best archery.
He is the best archer. Okay. He was skilled in archery and he was the best archer. Okay, very good.
Walk.
Okay, repeat once again.
There's a time to run and time to walk.
Yes. Yes. What do you understand by seeing this picture? What are the students are doing?
Teacher, students want to eat the tiffin
Okay, so when they eat the tiffin?
in recess.
Yes. So which poem is this?
Recess.
Okay, very good. So can you just say 2 lines from the poem?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Guys make lots of noise, run and jump and laugh and shout while here and there with quiet air. Groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and might, for long before the game is over, the bell out of school again.
Okay, good.
My book.
Yes, this is the pictures from my book. Can you tell me any one of the lines from that?
I love my book. They are that homes of queens and fairies and kings and gnomes.
Okay, very good.
This lesson is Be a Writer 1.
Okay, and which time they are having this? What
This
they are?
is they are eating their meal.
But what time? It is a lunch, breakfast, or something else?
It is a dinner.
Dinner time. Okay, very good. So, what is the conversation? Should be what is the conversation happening between father and the Isha?
The father says you must eat everything that's on your plate.
Yes, and what is the reaction of Isha?
Isha says that I don't like the vegetables and all that in my plate.
Yes, very good, beta.